Think of it this way. There was a man who was dying. They were giving him his last rites, and they asked him, "Do you renounce the devil and all his works?" And he replied, "At this moment, I prefer not to make any enemies."
Sanford Repertoire Theater Company brought the Hills of Sanford School to life with The Sound of Music this year in their annual musical performance.
The decision process every year is the same. We look at the upper school students that we have and try to select a musical that will use as many students as possible. We make sure that we can somehow cover the majority of the roles with a number of students so that when we have auditions, we know we'll be able to have options to cast each role.
It was a fun musical to do too because it was really different from what we had done in the past. The fall plays that we've done more recently have been like comedies, so it was good to do a more serious one, though it did have light points to it. There were definitely very serious undertones and scenes in it.
I despise. You won't have to bow your head to stoop a little.
Why not learn to put your faith and your reliance on an obvious and simple fact of science?
SRTC has become well known for performing more contemporary musicals. However, this year they decided to go the more traditional route.
Well, we have been talking for 3 years that we really wanted to go back to doing a traditional musical for the music education of our students. But the last 2 years, the musicals that we selected, Seussical and Thoroughly Modern Millie, were better for the students we had in the Performing Arts Department at the time. So we've been wanting to go traditional for a while, but the opportunity just didn't present itself until this year.
With only 3 months to prepare, SRTC put on a show that drew a positive reaction from their audience and almost sold out every single night. Sanford News Network, Patrick Francois reporting.